If you haven't tried a pimento cheese bomb smash burger, let this be the sign you've got to try this ASAP. I like to start with the pimento cheese bombs first, so I dredge those in seasoned flour and egg wash and some more breadcrumbs. Drop those in a deep fryer for a little under a minute till golden brown and they are good to go. Next, I took a pound of ground beef and seasoned it up on both sides. I used the Spice House's back of the yards rub, which is a salt and pepper heavy rub with some herbs as well. Next, I cut that ground beef into 4 quadrants and formed each of those into a small patty. Let that ground beef sit on a hot griddle till it forms a nice crust on the bottom. Then you're gonna smash that down so it can continue to get that nice crust. Then we're gonna flip those over, top with a piece of cheese, let that melt for a second before stacking 2 patties, and we're gonna continue to let those cook just a few minutes longer. Ideally, we wanna get just as good a crust on the bottom as we had on that top layer. Then next, we're gonna serve it on a toasted bun with a little bit of black truffle hot sauce, a little bit of greens, that double patty combo, then the star of the show, that deep fried pimento cheese bomb. Top that with hot honey and you've got something you are going to love to eat.